Hey everybody, welcome to the Lazy Tech Guys. If you want to learn how to make money with your tech, get tips, tricks, and how-tos, make sure you hit that subscribe and bell so you don't miss any of our new videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. And today we're going to talk about how you can get started with My Profit Land very quickly and easily to get things rolling. Now, when you first come in, there's not a lot you can do, and it takes a little time to build up. But to get started and get your account moving, the first thing you're going to do is set up your company. And once you create your account, so after you get all that done, this is what you're going to do every day when you come in. First thing I do is click on companies, management, come over here to my water, and I store my product. Close that out. Then I come on up here to activities. I go to work. And then I pick whichever one that I want. I look real quick to see who's paying the most and look to see if somebody in the US is doing it. So that's who I work for. And it'll tell me that I'm going and what I made. And so when I click back home, it'll update to profit that I made, and that's it. As quick as that. You can do that up to 3 times a day. Work if your energy is high enough. We'll talk about energy later and working overtime. But for getting started, you're probably not going to have the energy to work overtime, so you're going to do that twice a day. Once in the evening after about 7 o'clock, depending on where you're at, you can tell. Just 36 minutes into server time. So do it once in the evening and then once in the morning, and you're done. And that's how you get your account rolling. Now, the one thing that I will mention on what you want to do real quick, which is important on this, you don't want to just, when you come in here to work, you just don't want to look for the most profitable. You've seen that I looked for who was in the US. This is a very player-based game, and so you want to stick in with whatever country that you decide to play in. I'm playing in the United States, so you want to be loyal to that country if at all possible. So that's why I went with that guy right there. The other thing is you can look that my skills and where they're at. So I choose one of these 3 skills because that's what I have chosen to max out. You can only have 300 skill points. The more points you have in a subject, the more money you make. So I picked 3, did them all at 100. You can break this up however you want. But if you get enough people in your group that's working with you, then you can pick. Now, these are the reason I picked these is because this is probably what I'm going to do in the companies that I'm going to end up buying. But for now, just pick one that you like. Gathering is always a really good one. And then the others are really up to you on what you want to do. But gathering, you can always gather for somebody. Somebody's always looking to hire somebody to gather. And writing, I found that gathering, guest services, and writing are the best 3 for me. There's always work, and they're almost always working those 3 available. So anyway, guys, it is that simple. Doesn't take any time at all. You could do this in probably under 5 minutes. Anyway, guys, that is it. That's how you need to get started on the game. Start doing that. It takes a while to get anywhere on this game. It's one of those games that takes a little bit unless you get in with a group. If you get in with a group that can sell you some other stuff, and like I said, we'll go very much into those details. But get that working, get that rolling. Just pick one, work on one, whether it's gathering, guest services, whatever. Pick one and just work on it. And once you get that up, then we'll show you how to make these go much, much faster. So anyway, guys, for now, that's going to be it. Get started on this game. Make sure you hit us up on this game. You can friend us under Mitch, that's Mitchell, or you can Lazy Gamer, that's my game tag on this game. So go ahead and it's up there. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so this is the Lazy Tech Guys signing off. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. And remember, the day is what you make it. Let's make it a good one.